In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Notion weight tracker. We'll walk through how to quickly find a ready-made weight tracking template in the Notion marketplace and add it to your workspace, so you can start logging your progress for either weight gain or weight loss right away. I'll explain each step clearly, and feel free to pause the video as you follow along in your own Notion account. First, open Notion on your computer. You can use either the desktop app or the web version in your browser. Both work the same for this process. Once you're in Notion and logged into your workspace, look for the Marketplace option. This is usually accessible from the left-hand sidebar or from the main navigation, and it's where you can browse templates and tools created for Notion. Go ahead and click on Marketplace. This will open a new view with a search bar at the top and a variety of featured templates below. The Marketplace can be a bit overwhelming because there's a lot to choose from, so using the search bar is the quickest way to get exactly what you need. In the search bar, type weight tracker. Make sure you spell it correctly and then press enter. Notion will now filter the marketplace and show you templates related to weight tracking. These templates are designed to help you record your daily or weekly weight, track trends over time, and sometimes even log related details like dates, goals, or notes. Look through the search results and identify the weight tracker template that best matches what you want. You may see a few variations, but choose the one that looks simple and clear if you're just starting out. When you've found the template you want to use, click on it to open its details page. Here you can usually see a preview of the layout, including any tables, charts, or properties that come with it. Once you're happy with your choice, look for the Add button on that template page. Click on Add to bring the template into your own Notion workspace. Notion will create a new page based on that template, and you'll now have your own fully functional weight tracker that you can customize, rename, and start using immediately. From here, you're ready to begin entering your weight entries and adjusting the template to suit your goals.